Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Josh and we're watching C3S Garage. In today's video, I have a very special video. I want to show you guys something that I got from Tymate, and it's a TPMS for your tires, specifically older cars. You know, the Tesla and the Porsche and other cars, they'll have an automatic system that is built within the car. Most older cars, such as my beautiful 79 Corvette, do not have this. So I have partnered up today with Tymate to present to you guys the TPMS sensor. It's an aftermarket product that works just as well. And I wanted to show you this because it's helped me so much, specifically when I'm driving for longer periods of time and I cannot tell what the tire's pressure system is. So I figure I will share this with you guys. Let's get started. In the box, you'll find an LCD screen, which I'll show you guys in just a minute. You'll have 4 sensors as well as 4 rubber bands and a couple of tools to install the sensors and remove them if you need it. Each sensor has a specific tag that goes to a specific tire, left, right, and then the rear tires as well. This is important because the LCD screen also shows it the same exact way. You also get this really cool tool to install the sensors or take them out. I honestly didn't find any use for it, so I just left it aside. The cool thing about Tymate's TPMS system is that it comes with a little LCD screen that comes with a USB-C connection or lighter port connection. And you have 3 buttons here, one for the brightness up and brightness down, and set, which not only shows you the state of each tire, but it also shows you what the battery health is, which I think is an amazing feature to have. Something that I love about this product is that it's literally the size of the valve cover. It's just not that much bigger. It's got some weight to it, but it feels really nice in your hands. I've tested it out for a couple of days and the readings have been extremely accurate, telling me which tires are not as inflated as the other ones. And so it helps you keep that within the car without having to have an aftermarket system installed or have TPMS sensors with a car that just cannot add them to, or a car that won't support them. So this is an excellent aftermarket option for those of you guys that daily drive the Corvette or any other classic cars, or for that matter, any car that's built before 2010 or something like that. So with that being said, let me show you how to install this and how fast it is to install and how fast it is to see the ratings and how helpful this is for your car. On the little valve, you'll see LR. This is left rear tire, which this is the left rear tire. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. You're gonna hear a little air coming out. And once you tie it all the way in, that's it. Now, after installing the 4 sensors on the tires correctly, you are able to then connect this directly into your lighter port, and you are able to see the little screen in all its glory. You can also see the tire temperatures, which I think is crazy, and you can see what the PSI for each tire. Both of my left tires need some love, but the ones on the right are good. And the temperature is crazy too, which I think it's really interesting to see. Pressing set also allows you to see the battery volts, which is 12.0, which is a healthy battery. I haven't charged this battery in a long time, but shows that it's good, and then it goes back to its normal tire pressure system setup. The other thing that you can do is disconnect this and just put it on your glove box and use it next time. Usually my routine for the car is to check all the fluids, make sure everything is good, make sure the car turns on, obviously, and make sure the tires are all well inflated. This is time consuming, but with Tymate's new monitoring system, all I have to do is leave these things permanently and then connect my LCD screen on the inside and check the tire monitoring system and see how the tires are doing. This is super game changer because it doesn't consume as much time and it allows me to literally do the rest of the things like checking the fluids and everything while this is showing me and monitoring the tire system. Another thing that I wanted to point out is that these things stay permanently, but you're also able to remove them whenever you need to fill up the air. It takes away the necessity for you to go in between each single tire and fill each one up to make sure that they're all the correct measurement, but you can just see on the LCD which ones need air and which ones are good. This is not only for Corvettes or any classic car, it works for any car that you want. So you can use it on your Porsche, you can use it on your Tesla, you can use it on Corvettes, you can use it on trucks, you can use it on any type of car that you want. It'll save you a lot of time and money. I think this is an amazing product to have. I'll give you my stamp of approval. Make sure you get yours today. Thank you, Tymate, for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for continuous support on my channel after it was hacked. But I love this product because I think it saves a lot of time and money, especially time. I will leave the link down below for you guys to get yours today with a discount. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.